Hi there, James here from Merlin. We're in the Merlin test bay here today with the new Commander Ultimate, our residential jackshaft operator. The Commander Ultimate is already installed, and as you can see, with the accessories included in the box, they're all set to go. We have our wired smart control panel, our automatic door lock, our 774 safety beams, as well as the inclusion of our two E960 Premium Plus remote controls. The smart control panel is a wired wall control with multiple functionality that is advanced to our wireless wall controls in the rest of our range. The top button over here operates the door either to open or close. You'll notice an LCD screen with 4 buttons underneath where you can toggle through the LCD screen to give you features like the temperature of the room, clock, you can set programming the operator through here, you can disable remotes if you're on a vacation. So really cool features there. We have a motion sensor at the bottom. This motion sensor effectively senses anyone moving within the room and then automatically turns on the MyQ remote LED light, which is also included in the Commander Ultimate. And then finally, you'll notice a button that says light. This is a designated button for the MyQ remote LED light. That is the wired smart control that is included in the Commander Ultimate. Let's get to the automatic door lock. The way that this works is when the garage door is completely closed, the Commander Ultimate will send a signal to the automatic door lock to lock the door in position. As you can see, that's for extra safety, security, for peace of mind. Really important feature there. We then have the 774 safety beams. If you'd like to use the MyQ Wi-Fi technology, the 774 safety beams must be installed for safety reasons. The final thing is the inclusion of the two E960 Premium Plus remotes. These are our most premium remotes, offering you 4 channels, working with Security Plus 2.0 technology, as well as our old Merlin Security Plus technology. These are some of the accessories included in the Commander Ultimate. There are other accessories that are included, such as the MyQ remote LED light, as well as the cable tension monitor, with other videos to highlight those accessories. The Commander Ultimate's now set up. We can enjoy some of the features and functions of the Commander Ultimate, such as MyQ technology and the integrated battery backup. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at Merlin.